This video is brought to you by Lunatron Productions.
Want to build something cool? Come to Toys Player Hobby Collections, located at Bandar Baru Sri Petaling, Kuala Lumpur. We offer a massive selection of model kits. From beginner to pro, we offer a wide range of model kits to suit all tastes, and also tools, paints, and accessories. Build, paint, and create your model kits with our workshop studio, equipped with the latest state-of-the-art airbrush booths. Join our hobby community to grow the passion for the art together. We hold workshops, meetups, and more. Our in-house experts provide hands-on guidance to master the art of building and painting scale models. Visit Toys Player Hobby Collections today.
This video is brought to you by Lunatron Productions.